Hello, good morning to all of you. Today we see the next topic of the third lesson. Matter is the explanation for the three states of matter on the basis of characteristics of particles or molecules of matters. Means in this topic we will discuss about the molecules of matters and their characteristics, means how that their arrangements in the solid, liquid and gas. These topics we already learned in the 5th standard also. Okay, so in these chapters we will discuss it again. So first we will discuss about the solids. See, solid is the one of the state of matter, and in solid the molecules are closely packed. In solid the molecules are closely packed. There is strong force of attraction between the molecule, and the space between them is very small. See, I show the one diagram of the molecule. See, this is the molecular arrangement of solids. Okay, molecular arrangement of particles in a solids. See, molecules means what? Particles. So this is the arrangement of molecules in a solids. These these molecules are lie closely packed together. Okay, means their arrangement is very packed together, and there is a no distance, no gap in between the two molecules. Okay, so that's why there is a force of attraction between the molecule is greater. देखो उसमें जो particles की arrangement है वो कैसी है? Strongly packed, closely packed. So obviously the force of attraction between them is also strong, means greater. So that's why these molecules cannot move easily, but these are vibrates on their place, on their positions. Okay, the molecules in the solid states, they cannot move easily, but they vibrates their own position. So this make the solids hard and difficult to compress. That's why solids are hard and difficult to compress. It cannot be easily compressed and giving them a fixed shape and size. That's why solid have a fixed shape and size. So this is all about the solids. What? There is a force of attraction, strong. Okay, there is a strong force of attraction between the molecule, and space between these is very small. Okay, then second, liquid. In the case of liquid, the molecules are not very closely packed. See, second diagram B. This is the molecular arrangement in a liquid. See, in this case of liquid, the molecular arrangements, these molecules are not very close packed. Okay, so they do not attract each other's. If the force of attraction between that molecule is less, then obviously they not attract to each others. So thus the intermolecular space are larger. जो इस दो इंटरमोलिकुलर स्पेस कैसी है, लार्ज रहेगी दोनों में से. ओके, एज द इंटरमोलिकुलर स्पेस इज लार्ज, मॉलिक्यूल्स आर एबल टू मूव अबाउट मोर फ्रीली. ओके, जैसे ही इसकी इंटरमोलिकुलर स्पेस अगर ग्रेटर हो जाती है तो उसकी मूवमेंट भी कैसी होगी, फास्ट होगी, एंड दे कैन फ्रीली मूव. ओके, सो दैट्स वाई liquid flow and take the shape of container. Okay, that's why liquid flow and take the shape of the container into which it is poured. The liquid do not have the fixed shape, okay, size, but they have fixed volume. So that's why when you pour in the another container, it take the shape of that container. So this liquid have a fixed volume but no definite shape of their own. Okay, then in the third diagram, that's about the gas. So in the case of gases, the molecule hardly attract each other. See how the molecules are randomly free. Okay, they lie far apart from each others. Okay, and their intermolecular space are very large. The intermolecular space are very large. So the इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन कैसा होगा उसमें, या वीक, सो वीक एज कंपेयर टू सॉलिड एंड लिक्विड. So as the intermolecular space force of attraction is weak, molecular great freedom of movement, जितना उसका फोर्स कम होगा वो इजीली फ्री मूवमेंट करेंगे. सो एज अ रिजल्ट gases have neither fixed shape nor fixed volume. Okay, so they completely fill up the space available to them. जितनी स्पेस उनको अवेलेबल होगी उतनी वो स्पेस फिलअप करते, एंड दे कैन बी इजीली कॉम्प्रेस एज वेल, so thus decreasing the gap between them. So it is clear about that properties. Okay, their molecular arrangement of the solid liquid gas. So one, we can conclude that so the difference between the properties of the states of matter is due to intermolecular space. Okay, we see how the intermolecular space in the solid, liquid and gas. Okay, then cohesive force, that cohesive force we discuss now, and one is the random motion of particles. See, first of all, cohesive force. What do you mean by cohesive force? See, this is the one new topic. So the force of attraction between the like particles or molecule, that we call force of attraction. So the force of attraction between the like particles is called cohesive force. So see, can you tell solid have the strong cohesive force? Okay, solids have strong cohesive force because why the solids have strong cohesive force? Yes, because in the solid the molecular arrangements are compactly packed, closely packed. Mercury, all the liquid, also shows strong cohesive force. Okay, so one more moments are found in the particles that called the Brownian movement. Brownian movement means what? The zigzag motion of particle. The zigzag motion of particles suspended in medium. It's called Brownian movement. The zigzag motion. See, this is the one activity is given here. Take a beaker of half-filled water and suspend some lycopodium. Lycopodium powder means rubber. Okay, the name of the chemical name is the lycopodium. So you have to suspend some particles, powder form of that lycopodium in the water, and look into the water through microscope. You will notice that the particles of lycopodium are moving rapidly in a zigzag manner. See, when you observe through the microscope, you show the zigzag movement of the particles. Okay, आपको ऐसे zigzag movement दिखेंगे. Okay, so as you heated that water in the beaker, the movement of these particles further increases. कैसे होगी? Increase होगी. So this zigzag movement of particle is called Brownian movement. That's called Brownian movement. Okay, see, next topic, diffusion. Diffuse means what? The phenomena of intermixing of particle of one kind with another kind. Intermixing of particle of one kind with another kind is called diffusion. Since particle of matters are in motion, okay, so the particles of one kind can mix with another particles through natural movements. So this movement is called diffusion. Okay, so some point about the diffusion we will discuss. See, gases diffuse very fast because why? The particle of gases have enough space between them. देखो उसकी space कैसे रही, हमने अभी स्टडी किया, उसकी space कैसे रहती है बट मॉलिक्यूल्स के बीच में more. Okay, the more space between the molecule, that's why it will easily diffuse to each others and them to move freely. Like oxygen, oxygens are easily move in the air. Then liquid diffuse slowly than gases, but all liquid do not intermix with one another. liquids can also diffuse with the other gases, but as compared to gases, liquid do not intermix with one another. Why? Because some are miscible liquid and some are immiscible liquid. So miscible liquids means what? Liquid which mix with each other. Liquids which mix with each other are called miscible liquid. जो liquids mix होते हैं easily उसको क्या कहते हैं? Miscible liquids. Example, water and alcohol. When you mix the water and alcohol, it get mixed easily. Okay. Liquid states. Sir, matter should be in liquid states. Not take one as solid states and one another is liquid. You should take a two liquids and you have to mix it. So water is in liquid state and alcohol is in a liquid state. When you mix it, what you observe that water and alcohol are mixed with each other. Means that's why it's called miscible liquids. Second, immiscible liquid. Liquid which do not mix with each other. Exactly opposite to the miscible. Liquids which do not mix with each other are called miscible liquid. Example, water and oil. See, if you take the waters and you have to mix the oil in it, is it possible to mix it? No, because oils are floating on the surface of the waters. Okay, so this is the second point about the diffusion. Then third, solids are very rigid, hence either they do not diffuse under normal conditions or diffuse very little. देखो, already we now studied solids are rigid. Okay, they not easily compressed because of their strong compactly arrangement of molecules. So that's why solids not diffuse. And last, when temperature increase, diffusion also increases. When temperature increase, diffusion also increases. As you increase the temperature, then diffusion कैसे होगा? उतना ही fast होगा. Okay. So do you understood that points? So here we stop our that period. In the next period, I send the exercise second. Okay.